Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers searching, filtering, and managing headshots in the grid. Type a name in the search bar to filter the grid instantly. Only matching headshots appear. Click a status badge to filter by indexing status. Click pending to see just the headshots waiting to be processed. Use the sort dropdown to change the order. The size slider adjusts card dimensions so you can see more or fewer headshots at once. Click a card to select it. Hold Shift and click to select a range. Selected cards show a blue outline. With cards selected, the bulk actions bar appears. You can move, delete, or reindex multiple headshots at once. Click a card's expand icon to open the reference panel. It shows the full headshot, metadata, and matching history. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.